final day of the circuit breaker. Finally over. Still feels quite the same for me, at least for myself. Today, I'm gonna review the Camp Light from Mobot. A pretty decent ride. So this is the Camp Light together with the Birdie and the Brompton. Let me just shift it over here so that you guys can get a much better view. It's in a beautiful green, army green actually. Comes with a matching bag as well. Oh heck, let's just put all three foldable bikes side by side for comparison. You can tell that the footprint of the Camp Light versus the Brompton and the Birdie, it actually looks very compact as well. Now let's assemble this guy. Okay. Like this. And then you lock it in. Boom. Wow. That's it. The Camp Light is only 8.7 kilos. Damn. Jesus. I need to rest it on something. So exactly what does a Camp Light come with? Mechanical brakes, a bell that works. It comes with a front light. It comes with a rear light. Overall, extremely neat package. You can see over here, when you do the fold, this thing locks into place as well. And over here, locks into place as well. What a neat little package. The Camp Light retails for $999. Right now, there's a 20% off on the website and it's retailing for $799. And I'm still extremely impressed with all the specifications. So let's go through the specs and details. It comes with the Tektro mechanical brake. It's a 9-speed. It supports a maximum load of 110 kilograms. Its weight is 8.7 kilos. Alright, the wheels are 16-inch Kenda K1082. And get this, the frame, there's a warranty of 5 years. A warranty of 5 years. Obviously the warranty doesn't include wear and tear, but look, they're giving a 5-year warranty on the frame, which is kind of crazy. For like $799 you get extremely good value. The added bonus, adding this particular bicycle to my collection, really is for my older daughter. I've had to like upgrade the width and size of her bicycle, you know, as she gets a little bit taller. So this is actually very good. Not just for yourself if you plan to buy one, but it's actually very good if you have kids, because when you teach them how to ride a bicycle, you will understand, okay? You actually need to keep upgrading the size of the bicycle as they get a little bit bigger. You get one of these. My older daughter, she's ridden it. She loves it. Yes, do the unboxing for me, thank you. That's the younger one. Very soon she'll get her chance to try out the Mobot when she is able to.
Ta-da!
Okay, finally done. Okay, let's try it out. Go, go, go! How old are you now?
11.
What do you think about this bicycle?
Yes, it's good.
After?
But I'm very bad.
Well, you're gonna get it better, right?
I guess.
Yeah. And this is just pretty amazing. That's the additional benefit when you actually purchase one of these bikes. It's not too expensive. This is something that I highly recommend. Lots of mini surprises on this Camp Light. So how do we actually remove this carrier that you see in the front? It's got a little block over here. So if you're familiar with the Brompton, it's a catch. Just press on it like so, and it slides right up. Not surprised if it's going to be compatible with the rest of the other Brompton bags that you may have. You know what? I hate speculating. Let's just try it on my limited edition Cumbria bag. Yep, it definitely fits. It even clicks into place. Okay, there you have it. It's compatible with all your Brompton carriers as well. The Camp Light is available in two colors: Army Green, which is my favorite, and then the Silver Red. Links are in the description below. Place your orders now. You won't regret it.